Well, here we go. We're going to start on repairing this chimney cap. Obviously, looks like it's rusted out. It's not burnt out. Looks bad, doesn't it? But mostly it's rust. And I suspect this is 50 years old, and I should just replace it, but what the heck, we'll give it a go. So we're going to start with a coat of Rust-Oleum industrial primer. This stuff here. Professional. So let's start with that, and what I'm going to do is I'll trim this crud off of here after we get it painted, and then I'm going to put a couple of sheets of galvanized over the top, and probably screw them into place. So not a big fix. So we'll see how it turns out. All right, so here's the repair. It's all painted now. You can see that's nice gloss black, 2 coats of primer and 2 coats of black. I'm going to just do this real quick here. So it's about 14 high, and the base of it is 18 inches this way. But the inside, this is where the metal flue goes. This is just about 9 3/4 for the metal flue. If you can see that there, 9 3/4. And then, so the 18 covers the whole opening, but the flue size is 9 3/4. So again, that's about 14 inches high. There's 14. The flue size is 9 3/4, and then the overall size is 18. Oops. Let's see here, 18. There we go, 18. Oops, gotta get over here to 18. So if I'm looking for a replacement, although this looks like it's decent, that should last a while longer. It's reasonably sturdy. It was just the top that was rusted out. So this is 2 sheets of galvanized, one that goes underneath here, and the one goes over the top. And then I've just bent the edges down underneath, as you can see here. So just kind of bent them by hand. It's thin enough to do that. So it's galvanized with primer and the black paint. So again, 2 sheets, one going this way and one going this way, and then bent the edges around here. And I think that's got it fixed up for a while. That should hold the rain out and keep the sun off of the parts that are more challenged. All right, so there's the chimney cap installed. I'll zoom in there for you. Come on, focus. So you can kind of see it. There we go. And it's functional. And because it's up so high, you can't really see that it's a bit of a rough job, but that's one way to fix a chimney cap. I may have told you before that I looked for the replacement for these, and it was an unusual construction, so being able to repair the one that was up there was helpful. So I will say thank you for watching, and good luck with your chimney cap.